Hello friends, today I am going to discuss question answer of the chapter secondary activity. It is the chapter number 6 of geography book of class 12. First question, what are the characteristics of high technology industry? Answer. There are some characteristics of high technology industry which are as follows. First is it involve application of intensive research and development. Next is advanced scientific and engineering products are manufactured by intensive research and development. Next is it requires highly skilled workers. Next is they use robotics, computer aided design and highly advanced technology. Next question, what is the difference between primary and secondary activity? Answer. Primary activity hyphen it is extraction of raw material from the earth's surface. Example of primary activity are fishing, mining, agriculture, hunting, gathering, etc. Workers required in this activity are farmers, hunters, gatherers, etc. Demand of primary activity is declining in rural areas. Secondary activity hyphen it is conversion of raw material into finalized good. Example of secondary activity is manufacturing of steel in iron and steel industry. Workers required in this activity are craftsmen and factory worker. Demand of secondary activity is increasing in urban areas. Next question, write a short note on high technology industry. Answer. High technology industry is also known as high tech industry. It is latest generation of manufacturing activities. Advanced scientific and engineering products are manufactured by intensive research and development. Example of high technology industry are computer aided design and manufacturing, etc. Next question, write a short note on footloose industry. Answer. Footloose industry is located in wide variety of place. Footloose industry depends on component part. Footloose industry does not depend on specific raw material. Footloose industry is non-polluting. Footloose industry employs very small number of people. The production of footloose industry is low. Next question, write a short note on manufacturing. Answer. Manufacturing is conversion of raw material into finalized good by the application of power. Manufacturing can be done in two ways, modern and primitive. Modern manufacturing is characterized by application of power, mass production, specialized labor, and production of standardized product. Next question, Africa has immense natural resources, but it is considered as backward continent. Why? Answer. Africa has immense natural resources, yet it is considered as backward continent because of following reasons. First is lack of demand. Next is lack of power source. Next is climate is not favorable. Next is transport and communication system is not well developed. Next is improper government. Next is there is absence of market for finalized good, etc. Next question, explain why high technology industry is located to the peripheral area of metropolitan center. Answer. High technology industry is also known as high tech industry. It is latest generation of manufacturing activities. Advanced scientific and engineering products are manufactured by intensive research and development. High technology industry is located to the peripheral area of metropolitan center because of following reasons. First is peripheral area of metropolitan center has open space. Next is business parks. Parks are developed by the government in these areas because there is free space. Next is there is good connectivity with road and highways. Next is high technology industry requires low and dispersed buildings which require large space, and we get large space in peripheral area of metropolitan center. Next question: what are the factors that affect location of the industry? Answer: factors are as follows. First is access to market. We should set up the industry near the market so that the final good made in industry could be sent to the market for selling. Next is access to raw material. We should set up the industry in the rural area at the place from where we can get raw materials easily. Next is access to cheap labor. We should set up the industry at the place from where we can get cheap labor easily. Next is access to transport. We should set up the industry at the place from where we can get transport easily so that the final good made in industry could be sent to the market. Next is government policies. Government policies guide the setting up of various industries. Next is agglomeration economics. When several industries concentrate in a region to share the factors of production for greater profit. It is known as agglomeration economics.